Hi, I'm Nick Williams.
And I'm Delaney George.
Welcome to 4-Minute Friday Fun. What are we going to learn about today?
Typing Club.
Typing Club. Excellent. Keyboarding. I love keyboarding class. I think it helped me learn at least to be more proficient, more efficient, kind of a master of my own learning. So what does Typing Club have to offer?
So Typing Club is a free typing website / app where students can go and they log in with their Google single sign-on and it saves all of their progress.
Great. So in terms of setting goals and engagement, it's a lot better than just reading AAA across the screen and having your typing teacher walk around the classroom. Perfect.
Yeah. Yep. So if you go to typingclub.com, if you are on an HP or a Dell device, you can go here and log in this way. You can choose Google. Mm-hmm. And as soon as you click Google, it's going to take you right in. And then you have your stats over here where it'll record how much time you've spent on Typing Club. I've spent 37 minutes on Typing Club. You can do Typing Jungle or Typing Basics. There are a couple different options. And then as you go, you also earn badges. So as you go through, you can earn like Fast and Furious badges for how quickly you type, how long you're going, all of that good stuff.
Excellent.
Yeah.
When you sign in, is it going to ask for permission to use your Google
It is,
information?
And you have to click allow.
Okay.
But because I've been on it already, it's not popping up for me. You can see past 7 days in stats also and today. So if you wanted to walk around and check your students' scores or what they've been doing, their average typing speed, you can have them click on today, past 7 days, or overall.
Okay.
The other option is whether you're using Chrome browser or if you're on a Chromebook, you can go to the Chrome Web Store and type in Typing Club, and it's an app. And if you download the app, it also lets you single sign on and all that good stuff, and it'll look like this little ninja guy.
So if you're a student in BCSC, will that app already be on their Chromebooks?
It will be.
Yes.
Yeah,
so
they
we pushed it out to everyone.
Yes. So, and then if you go in, it's just the basics. Things are locked until you go through them.
Okay.
So you can't just skip ahead, especially for the kiddos that are struggling. But if you are a proficient typer, you fly through the levels. I think I've spent like 40 minutes on it, and I'm on level like 60 something.
Do you know of any updates coming out that may help some of our other learners?
There are. I got an email the other day. There's one-handed typing coming out, Spanish options coming out, voice to text, text to speech, speech to text. I think both are coming out. And then Excellent. I think there's a whole nother section of games.
All right. So I think the last part then would be, if I'm a teacher, can I monitor their speeds or their progress besides their badges? Is there another place I could go?
So there is a teacher portal.
Okay.
But if you sign up and do everything through the teacher portal, you have to go in and create your students' usernames and everything, and it isn't single sign-on with Google.
Is there a third-party place I could go, though, to test how fast they type?
Third-party typing test. You can go to Free Typing Test.
So if I wanted, I could get a spreadsheet of kids.
Yep.
You can almost make it a competition.
It's right here. There are all different lessons that you can have that you can choose from for your students to do, and then how long you want them to type for their time typing test.
It is free, but you'll notice there are some pop-up ads.
I haven't seen anything inappropriate, though. It's mostly just clothes and games.
That's probably something you looked at on Amazon.
Yeah.
All right.
No, it's not.
Thanks for joining us.
Happy Friday.